Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Cloud Wars Minute, our daily news and commentary show. You give us a few minutes, and we're going to give you some unique insights into the greatest growth market the world has ever known. While it's not all that big a company relative to the other companies in the Cloud Wars Top 10, Snowflake is certainly contributing to that massive growth across the market. Snowflake will release its quarterly numbers today, August 25th. And I'm wondering if they'll be able to pull off the pretty neat trick of posting triple-digit growth again. Let's take a quick look back. For Q1, that was for the period ended April 30th, Snowflake reported revenue of $214 million, up 110%. At the same time, for that quarter ended April 30th, they said the remaining performance obligation was $1.4 billion, which was up a whopping 206%. So big growth that they can report, put in the bank, even larger growth forecasted for ahead. Again, just a little perspective on this. If you go back to the quarter ended October 31st of last year, $148 million in revenue. For January 31st of this year, $178 million in revenue. And then, as I mentioned, for the period ended April 30th, 214 million. Sorry, I put 213 there, but it's 214. So three things I wanted to mention too that are really intriguing about what Snowflake's doing here. The first is about the data cloud and the huge disruption that's taking place. Second is the massive effort that CEO Frank Slootman has described for Snowflake to really go end-to-end in its internal operations, its outlook, the way it talks to companies, the way it positions itself with a very strong vertical industry focus. And the third, can we expect more intoxicating impact from Snowflake? Let me tell you what I mean by those three there. The data cloud thing, it's just part of what makes this industry so fascinating is here you've got a company that is so much smaller than all of the major players, yet its announcement of the data cloud, its pushing of this notion, and the widespread acceptance among customers has made data cloud a really disruptive force, theme, and idea throughout the entire Cloud Wars Top 10. Almost all of the bigger companies above Snowflake, which is number 10 on the Cloud Wars Top 10, have had to revise their thinking or sharpen their thinking or sharpen their plans about what's their data cloud play. It's something that customers really seem to like, and that is a theme that's here to last. The industry focus, Slootman said they're taking it from end to end, how they organize the company, not just the sales team, but how they build their products, how they market their products, how they engage with customers. And the third point about the intoxicating effect is last earnings call, Slootman said that the Snowflake technology had become so popular among some customers that they were being overly aggressive in their use of the product. But he called it truly an intoxicating effect. So Snowflake had to create some services to sell back to those customers to help them use less. Interesting times, interesting company. We'll see what they come up with. Thanks for being with us here in Cloud Wars Minute. Hope you have a fantastic day.